Welcome to Vitality Integrative Wellness, where your health and well-being takes center stage. Here we combine advanced therapies with a personalized approach designed to help you thrive. From innovative treatments to holistic care, we're here to support you every step of the way on your wellness journey. Your vitality starts here. At Vitality Integrative Wellness, we offer human cellular tissue injections to help your body heal naturally. This cutting-edge treatment is designed to support tissue repair, reduce inflammation, and relieve pain so you can get back to the activities you love. Experience a new level of wellness with this advanced therapy that promotes healing from within. Struggling with joint pain and inflammation? Alpha-2 macroglobulin, or A2M injections, might be the solution you need. This advanced therapy works to protect your joints by neutralizing harmful proteins that cause damage and discomfort. By targeting the source of inflammation, A2M helps to reduce pain and support your body's natural healing process so you can move with ease again. Discover lasting relief with prolozone therapy at Vitality Integrative Wellness. This cutting-edge treatment targets pain and inflammation by delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to the problem areas. Prolozone enhances your body's natural healing abilities, reduces discomfort, and improves joint function, helping you to move freely again and live an active life. Experience the difference prolozone therapy can make for your health and mobility. Say goodbye to lingering pain with shockwave therapy at Vitality Integrative Wellness. This innovative treatment uses targeted sound waves to accelerate healing, reduce discomfort, and restore mobility. Whether it's a stubborn injury or chronic pain, shockwave therapy helps your body recover faster so you can get back to doing what you love. Feel the difference with every step forward. Find fast, effective relief with laser therapy at Vitality Integrative Wellness. This advanced, non-invasive treatment harnesses light energy to reduce pain, accelerate healing, and enhance tissue repair. Whether you're managing an injury or chronic discomfort, laser therapy helps your body recover naturally so you can get back to living your best life. At Vitality Integrative Wellness, we understand how frustrating chronic muscle pain and tension can be. That's why we offer trigger point injections, designed to release even the tightest knots and ease discomfort at its source. This simple yet effective treatment helps your muscles relax, restores range of motion, and gets you back to feeling like yourself again. Experience relief that lasts with personalized care just for you. Relieve back pain and rediscover mobility with spinal decompression therapy at Vitality Integrative Wellness. This gentle, non-invasive treatment is designed to alleviate pressure on the spine, promote disc healing, and improve overall spinal health. So whether you're dealing with chronic pain or recovering from an injury, this therapy helps your body heal naturally so you can move freely and live without limits. Discover the benefits of chiropractic care at Vitality Integrative Wellness. Our gentle, hands-on treatments help restore alignment, reduce pain, and improve your overall well-being. Whether you're dealing with back discomfort, tension, or just want to feel your best, chiropractic care supports your body's natural ability to heal. Experience relief and balance through care designed just for you. Unwind, de-stress, and rejuvenate with massage therapy at Vitality Integrative Wellness. Our skilled therapists work to ease muscle tension, improve circulation, and promote total relaxation. Whether you're looking to recover from a long day or simply prioritize self-care, this personalized treatment helps restore your body and mind. Feel the difference of a massage tailored just for you. Recharge your body and feel your best with IV nutrition at Vitality Integrative Wellness. This powerful therapy delivers essential vitamins and nutrients directly into your bloodstream, boosting energy, enhancing hydration, and supporting your overall wellness. So whether you need a quick recovery or yearn for sustained vitality, IV nutrition helps you stay strong and balanced. It's wellness designed to fit your every need. Recharge your energy and sharpen your focus with NAD IV therapy at Vitality Integrative Wellness. This powerful treatment supports cellular health, enhances mental clarity, and revitalizes your body from the inside out. Whether you're looking to regain vitality or improve overall wellness, NAD IVs deliver the rejuvenation you deserve. Feel refreshed, feel renewed. At Vitality Integrative Wellness, you can revitalize your body from the inside out with major autohemotherapy, or MAH for short. This advanced treatment purifies and oxygenates your blood to boost immunity, detoxify the body, and enhance overall health. Feel energized, resilient, and ready to take on life with a therapy that works in harmony with your body's natural healing process. At Vitality Integrative Wellness, we take a functional medicine approach to help you uncover the root causes of your health challenges. Instead of masking symptoms, we focus on understanding how your body works as a whole, creating personalized wellness plans designed just for you. From advanced diagnostics to tailored lifestyle strategies, functional medicine empowers you to achieve long-term health and balance so you can feel your best every day. Breathe easier and feel revitalized with nasal and ear ozone insufflation at Vitality Integrative Wellness. This innovative therapy delivers oxygen-rich ozone to improve respiratory health, reduce inflammation, and support your overall wellness. It's a natural, non-invasive way to clear your sinuses, enhance ear health, and promote better breathing, helping you feel refreshed and balanced from within.